Hey, Dr. Siller. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and we are based out of Chico. And I'm just making you this quick video to show you a few things that you can apply right away so that you can start getting more new patients calling and coming in the door. So, as you can see, we're on your website and your website is not secure. So, the first thing you really need to take care of is securing your website and getting that SSL certificate. Having a not secure website means that you can have your website hacked. You can have identity theft. You can have them kind of take over your brand and your website and really destroy your name. And it can actually cost thousands and thousands of dollars to correct if that were to happen. So you definitely want to get your website secured. Um, so your website is a little bit older, which really isn't a big deal. Um, but it doesn't have a whole lot of content. Now, what Google wants to see is about 1,000 words of content, 1,000 to 1,500 or more, depending on your competitors. But that breaks down to about 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword that you're trying to rank for. In order for your website to be found and the new patients to find you, you need to be able to rank. And those are based off of keywords. New patients may not know the name of your practice, but they know that they're in pain and they know the type of services or treatments they're looking for, and that's what they're going to be Googling. So you need to work on the content on your website, and you need to make sure you have pages for the treatments that you provide or different services you might provide. And then you need to make sure that you're going after the keywords for those services for the Yuba City area that you're working in. Now, Google does not rank based on appearance. They rank based on content and keywords. They actually have little robots that are called crawlers, and they go and they index every one of your pages, looking at your content and your keywords, and that's how customers or new patients are able to find you. If we look at your top competitor in Yuba City, it's Funk Chiropractic. They have a nice looking website. They have a lot more content than your website, and you can see they're going after those local buyer intent keywords that your patients are going to be looking for. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have a lot more content on your website, and you're going to have to go after those buyer intent keywords. They also have several more pages than you do. So you're going to want to make sure that you have those additional pages because you do need more content throughout your website than your top competitors. Now, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see here, you have a 0.2 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. That means that Google doesn't have much trust in your website, and that's because of your referring domains and backlinks. You don't have very many. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure you're getting the high authority backlinks. Because you don't have a whole lot of content on your website, you're only being indexed for 26 keywords. And because of that, you're only getting about 44 people on average to your website per month. Now, if we look at your top competitor, Dr. Funk, he has a low rating as well as 0.4, but he's got 481 backlinks that are all being pushed to his homepage. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks than Dr. Funk. And because his domain rating is still low, that says that a lot of his backlinks are actually junky or spammy. So you're going to need not just more backlinks, but better quality backlinks. Because he has more content, he's being indexed for 149 keywords. So he's getting over 180 people to his website on average per month. Now, to explain backlinks, a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the site is that's linking to you, the higher it's going to push you in Google. So you want to make sure that you're getting the high authority, high ranking domains to link to your website. And these backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords. So you want to make sure that you're having these backlinks go to the keywords on each of your pages. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business. So it's Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section. It's a highly competitive section. And the reason why you want to be here is because 30% of people who search go directly to the maps and they either do a click to call or jump on your website. And they're not going to go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, all those new patients you're giving to your competitors. So in order to get in the top 3, there's several different factors that come into play. But the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And so you need to have a lot more citations than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, your practice website can be number 1 in Yuba City. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take the information I provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help bringing in new patients and you don't want to have to worry about this stuff yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.